How to get a TikTok streak pet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. In here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, it will lead you to this page. In here, click on Notifications. After you click on Notifications, simply scroll down in Notifications and search for Streaks. Turn on Streaks. After you do that, you'll find your Streak pet. Also, make sure there's Streak in your chat. Only after that, you will find Streak pet. And this is how to get a TikTok Streak pet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.